Parusa, Kuya Mark, ano ba ang penalty sa plunder?
Plunder or pandarambong ha. So hindi lang ito ordinary corruption. This is a large scale corruption. Kung may tinatawag na large scale syndicated staff may tinatawag din large scale syndicated corruption. So ang large scale syndicated corruption, ito yung tinatawag na pandarambong or plunder. So ano yung penalty ng plunder or pandarambong? Reclusion perpetua, 20 years, 1 day to 40 years. Yun ang may kulong. 20 years, 1 day to 40 years, reclusion perpetua. Pangalawa, perpetual disqualification to hold any office in the government, government-owned or controlled corporation, including its instrumentalities. Ibig sabihin, bawal na, for example, na-convict ka ng plunder, bawal ka na tumakbo kahit barangay kagawan. Former president ka, na-convict ka ng plunder, bawal ka na tumakbo ng barangay kagawan. Or, kung director ka, bawal ka na ma-appoint kahit staff level lang ng government. Because you are not allowed you are disqualified perpetual. When perpetual, lifetime, you are disqualified to hold any other office or any position or function in any office of the government, including the government-owned or controlled corporation and instrumentalities. Like for example, korporasyon ng gobyerno, hindi ka pwede maging staff doon kahit na very qualified ka kasi you are perpetually disqualified. And third, ito yung pinakamabigat, MJ, yung tinatawag na civil confiscation or forfeiture of ill-gotten wealth in favor of the state. So lahat ng mga nakaw na yaman mo, ito yung yata yung role ng good government. Ano yan? Yung Office of the Good Government. May ganun eh. Ang role niya is kunin niya yung lahat ng mga instrumental ill-gotten wealth in favor of the state.
Ano yan, Kuya Mark? Presidential Commission on Good Government.
PCGG.
PCGG. Tinatagpo ni yumaong Presidente Corazon Aquino noong 1986 para po i-recover ang ill-gotten wealth ng mga Marcos.
Yun naman, PCGG focusing on Marcos. But aside doon, pwede naman ang ombudsman, special prosecutor through the Sandigan Bayan, pwede yung tinatawag na civil forfeiture or confiscation of ill-gotten wealth in favor sa state. So kunin ng government yan, yung mga nakaw na yaman mo, then ibigay sa state.